What is up, guys, and welcome back to another CB650R motovlogs video. As you can probably have read by the title of the video, and I'm sure I've captioned it in the thumbnail, I have a new job. Pretty exciting stuff. I haven't started yet. I just went for the interview today, and they called me back pretty much straight away, like almost as soon as I left. They called me and told me that I'd got the job. Very exciting. So currently I'm working in the warehouse of a computer shop here in Sydney, and I will be going to, so if you are from Sydney, or maybe even Australia, and yeah, Australia in general, I'm sure you would have heard of this place. I'll be working for the motorcycle accessories superstore, MCA or MCAS as it's also known as. So I start there in a couple of weeks, which I'm pretty psyched for. Like, to be honest with you, I was just browsing through jobs and wasn't even looking for that. I was just looking at other stuff, saw that, applied for the job, and then the rest is history. I'm like really excited, but it's also like extremely dangerous for me, because I'm gonna want to buy everything that I bloody see. So I will have to show some restraint in that regard. I need to fix my mirrors up. I played around with my mirrors because my son was sitting on my bike, and he likes to see himself in his mirrors, so yeah, that's really exciting. It'll be cool to see all the stuff that comes in. I mean, obviously you can't be for real. It'd be really exciting to see all the stuff that comes in, especially when new things come in. It's just going to make me want to buy things more. Like, I'm kind of already in the market for a new helmet. I'd love to get, there's a Shoei that I really want to get. It's one of the NXR2s. But kind of not within the budget at the moment. But hey, maybe now it will be, who knows, we'll find out soon enough, I guess. But today is the first day in like over a week that I've been able to go for a ride. It has been like pouring down since like what? C200s are turbos? Anyway, it's been like pouring here for like a week, maybe a little bit more than a week, I think. Like, it's kind of rained on and off, but with my work schedule, like when it hasn't been raining, I've been at work, and it's like, I mean, obviously I can ride in the rain, like it's not the end of the world, but you know, for those who ride, you know what riding in the rain is like. It sucks. Even if you have wet gear, it's not fun. So did I do my helmet up? Yeah, I did. It's one of those funny things that I think you don't even think about doing. What was I talking about? Yeah, so it's been like raining pretty constantly for the last week, so this is the first time I've been able to get out in a week, and man, it is good to be back on two wheels. It feels real good. This is only going to be a quick video because it's going to get dark pretty quick. As you can see already, it's 5:22, and it normally starts to get a bit dark. Like even on this road, like I've filmed on this road in the mornings when I'm leaving for work, and it's kind of a bit too dark to film. Like you can't really see things and stuff like that. But yes, it is going to be a quick one just to share the exciting news. What I'm hoping I can do, and would be really awesome if I can, is if I get to take like some bikes on test rides and stuff. I'm not sure if I'll be able to, but it will be pretty cool, just so I can record that for you guys, just to, like, you know, see something a little bit different. Like it'll literally be like just a short video. It's not going to be like a full-length video, but just something short for you guys to see, and just like another bike another bike for me to experience, just for a bit of fun. I'd really like to ride an R7 or a CBR 650. I really want to ride one of them. But before I do go, because I'm going to cut the video here in a sec, I wanted to give a huge thank you to everybody who's been like viewing the video, subscribing, liking, commenting, all that sort of stuff, with like, you know, whatever you've been saying. Like the comments have been really cool. I really appreciate all of them. So please do keep them coming. Comment more, like what you want to see, because I want to give you guys the content that you want to see. But thank you for everybody who's been liking, subscribing, viewing the videos, all the new subscribers. You're all legends. This is another CB650R video. Until the next one, guys, I will catch you real soon. Take it easy, guys, and stay upright.